am Dr. Niba EA, Head of Department of Information Technology at Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology, Autonomous. I welcome you all to the department. The department offers 3 state-of-the-art BTech programs in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Computer Science and Business Systems, and Information Technology. The BTech program in Computer Science and Business Systems is offered in collaboration with TCS. We also offer a highly sought-after MTech program in Network Engineering. We now live in a digital age where most industries rely heavily on data and software programs for their sustenance and growth. IT impacts everything from scientific research to health development, transport, banking, communication, and you name it. Even objects like microwave ovens, fridges, or door locks are now connected to our Wi-Fi networks and personal assistants. Technology has made the world better, faster, and more connected, but this did not happen overnight. We reached this juncture thanks to the brilliant minds of IT graduates who leveraged their passion for technology and used it to create gadgets and programs which help us every single day. Keeping this in mind, we have tried our best to create a department which offers diverse academic and research opportunities for students. Our experienced and dedicated team of faculty and technical staff look forward to guiding you on an incredible journey over the next 4 years of your life. I'm confident that our department, which has a faculty profile rich in academic experience and industrial exposure in areas as diverse as artificial intelligence, data science, software development, networks, to name a few, can take you on a remarkable journey to discovery. The continuous development of new technologies means that there is a constant demand for brilliant technical minds who can create, maintain, and fix both gadgets and code. To become an expert and occupy in one of the best in IT jobs, you will need to develop a certain skill set. Here at RSET, we have an excellent relationship with the industry. We have been successful in leveraging this relationship to aid in knowledge transfer, project guidance, internship, and also in providing new courses that meet the Industry 4 requirement. We are indeed proud to be a beacon of knowledge and resources for the surrounding academia community and industry. The department is also equipped with excellent research facility. To support the diverse needs of the students, there are different research groups. Each research group is responsible for organizing, scheduling activities in these areas of that group. I am certain that the advanced computing facilities and infrastructure available together with the industry relationship that we nurture here at the Department of IT will serve as an ideal launchpad for your professional career. Universities and college campuses are places where students live and study in close proximity to each other. They are also buzzing cultural hubs where students are brought together from nations around the world. Recently, the foundation of the unique ecosystem has been impacted significantly by the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic, creating uncertainty regarding the implications of higher education. After this period of uncertainty for the past year and a half, we are now back to the college, where you can enjoy the life at college, explore academic, co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Now that you are back in college, you will find that our mix of online and offline classes are not only rich in content and resources, but also designed and scheduled to protect you from the worst of the COVID-19 pandemic. We are getting ready for the start of a new academic year. We understand that you might be worried about how the COVID-19 pandemic will impact your studies and life here at Rajagiri. Rest assured, we have left no stone unturned to ensure that there will be minimal disruption to your academic life. I wish you all the best and confident that you will find our department to be lively, challenging, diverse and warm community. Thank you.
This year, unlike in any other year, we got a surge in demand for information technology and related branches. And this trend is very much valid because the technological landscape is changing. We are at the cusp of fourth industrial revolution. The fourth industrial revolution will not only change the way the technology is being used, it will change the way that we live in. And information technology, artificial intelligence, and computer science and automation, they will play a vital role in making this revolution possible. Along with the technologies I already mentioned and the robotics, these technologies can mimic how the human beings are relating. So that's why in some ways they are going to replace human activity and human workforce. It is in this context, information technology, artificial intelligence, and computer science, they get prominence in today's world. And also some say, why do we need to go for specializations like artificial intelligence and data science or computer science and business systems at the undergraduate level? This is a valid question, a genuine concern. But I would say that the period of a generation, earlier it was something like 20 years, that is actually reducing. Maybe a generational change is happening in maybe less than 10 years now, which means there is no need to wait for a bachelor, for a master's program to learn artificial intelligence or computer science and business systems. For example, the basics of mathematics, which is very much related to artificial intelligence, like linear algebra, probability, and multivariate calculus, you won't be getting that in a master's program. We will be assumed that those basic skills you already know if you are going for a master's program. So it is better that you get trained in those technologies in the bachelor's level. And again, computer science and business systems. We are conducting in collaboration with our industry partner, Tata Consultancy Service. What is the logic? Because they say that we don't simply want programming engineers, we want leaders in the technological arena. And it is exactly that CSBS would be doing. Computer science along with the soft skills and the project management skills the technological leaders want to climb higher up in their ranks. So the new world is yours, especially in the fourth industrial revolution. It is for the IT, AI, and computer science people. I encourage all of you to make use of this once in a lifetime opportunity and make use of your opportunity and go higher. Thank you so much.
first of all, let me congratulate you for having secured admission to cutting-edge academic programs in one of the premier institutions in this state. As you know, all the three branches like information technology, artificial intelligence and data science, computer science and business systems are all centered and focused towards computer science only. That means the scope for placement as regards your programs are equally good, and the courses that you take as part of these programs are also leading to cutting edge technology, and you also have provision to conduct research alongside. The current trend is to have research even at bachelor's level, so that once you acquire your degree, then you can continue with either a postgraduate degree or you can go for an employment where you can do part-time research, so that you will be able to come across new innovations in the technology. All these would make you self-empowered so that you can pursue your studies without having any guidance from a structured academic program. That is what we want you to be, self-empowered to do a lifelong learning. The subject is such that developments will be day to day. So without focusing too much on the textbooks, you will have to do a lot of outside studies as well. I wish you all the best.
Hi guys, my name is Neha and I'm currently pursuing my MBA from Christ University, Bangalore, and I belong to the 2015-19 batch of the IT department in RSET. 4 years went by too soon, I would say. The memories that RSET gave me is something that I can cherish for my entire lifetime. Taking the ID specialization, I had an amazing group of teachers who showed their support and help both in terms of knowledge as well as my personal growth. I assure you that your time at Rajagiri, you will get an opportunity to meet a lot of wonderful people, friends who will form an immense part of your life. Little will you realize the moments that you make in Rajagiri then. All these memories will come rushing to you once you pass out, and you will begin to wish that you could have spent a year more over there. And yes, of course, the college has other cultural activities and sports as well. Bharadam being the most unforgettable event of one's life in Rajagiri. And not forgetting the Tech Fest or the Tech Kshetra that we used to have, which once again helped us to work together with the entire IT department, with immense support from our IT department faculties as well. And it was one of the best opportunity to work together with the entire IT department, and yeah, it is one of the best time to showcase all your technical skills and in order to bring out something new and creative. So make sure you guys don't miss it out. And something which I would always remember is my final year project, which was for a duration of about 5 to 6 months. So during those times when we were not at all aware of how to start our project or how to initiate our project, we had a lot of support and guidance from the faculties in IT department. We could run to them whenever we had any doubts and get them clarified. They were of constant support and continuous guidance for us. They always maintained a connection with us whenever we needed until the day of the project completion. But apart from these, the learnings and the bond that you develop with your friends and your faculties will be everlasting, and that will overpower anything else. Last but not the least, who can ever forget the Rajagiri anthem? It became a part of me, and I'm sure it will become a part of you too, guys. So all the very best wishes to all my juniors for the 4 wonderful years at RSET.
Hey all, my name is Karthik Menon. I am a 2016-2020 pass out from Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology. I did my majors in information technology with honors and I recently secured a rank 5 in KTU. Coming to Rajagiri, it was one of the biggest changes in my life, and the reason why I say this is because I did most of my schooling outside of Kerala. And coming here, the first thing I realized was Rajagiri is a multicultural college. You have people pooling in from different cities, from different corners of the state, from different states, and also from different countries come along, and you spend great 4 years together. So, if I were to dedicate my success to anyone, I would say it's Rajagiri, the college itself. And the reason why I say this is because we have the best staff, we have the best lab facilities. We have Shunya Lab, which is a high performance computational facility. We have the best lab staff around. We have a great library which has a lot of books, numerous digital publications and magazines come in every now and then. We have a great placement record, which I guess is the best in Kerala itself. So not only that, if I were to talk from an employment point of view or from an industry point of view, Rajagiri provides you with ample lot of opportunities. The biggest example being that we have an incubation center inside the college itself. So you do have a mingle around with startups every now and then, and you can work on real industry related projects or industry related products as such. So if I were to dedicate my success to someone, it would be the college itself, and it would be the loving 4 years that I've spent here with the college, the staff, the lab staff, canteen, chai kada, and my friends, and the hostel, of course. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sahla Muhammad Ali, currently working in Cognizant Technology Solutions. I'm the 2016-20 pass out from Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology. The 4 years at Rajagiri, I had a good experience. The faculty of IT department was so supportive and friendly. Their support has helped me a lot in my journey to secure the university's second rank. Along with the academic support, the department also promotes cultural and technical events. IT department has been a pillar for me and helped me in being an event coordinator for one of the events in the national level technical fest, Abhiyam. Talking about placements, Rajagiri has one of the best placement statistics among other colleges in Kerala. Rajagiri also provides certain international internships in student exchange programs. I was selected for the Maxwell internship program in Japan. Then, as a word to my juniors, the 4 years in Rajagiri will for sure provide you with a bunch of opportunities to come out with flying colors. All the best to you guys.
Hi, I am Pavitra Madhu and I am a BTech graduate from the IT department at RSET and I'm currently employed at EY Trivandrum. My life at Rajagiri easily consists of most of the memories that I hold dear to me today. I have made friends for a lifetime as well as contacts that will potentially help in the growth of my career. Our batch 2018-21 have been one of the unlucky ones in that we lost a year and a half of our on-campus experience to COVID, and even though that is a loss that we all shall regret, the faculty and the college have made our online classroom transition as smooth as possible. We were faced with many challenges like online classes, online exams and final year project, all of which the college had taken on with ease. As an alumna of the institution, I cannot skip mentioning our placement cell that has aided in placing a noteworthy amount of our students in leading companies, as well as our faculty that has helped in guiding our peers in choosing universities for higher education. And even though we lost 3 semesters of our college life to COVID, our life at Rajagiri has given us a lot of exposure. We have had the opportunity to engage ourselves as well as organize events on the cultural front like Bharadam, as well as tech events such as Tech Kshetra, and not to mention the workshops and seminars on novel tools and software. And moreover, the IT faculty and the department have been a constant source of support and guidance for me. And all of this just gives more reason to reminisce our days at Rajagiri as well as the Rajagiri experience, for which I shall always be grateful. Thank you.